Join me as I take on the challenge of caring for my car like a pro. Can I keep it in top shape with just a few simple tricks? Taking care of your car is more than just a necessity. It's an investment. Proper care can significantly extend the life of your vehicle, saving you money and headaches down the road. A well-maintained car runs more efficiently, looks better, and holds its value longer. But let's face it, not everyone knows where to start or feels like they have the time. Many car owners struggle with maintenance simply because they don't know what they're doing. They might not know how to check their oil or change a tire. And that's completely okay. We've all been there. The internet is flooded with tutorials and guides. But sometimes it's hard to know what's trustworthy and what's not. And then there's the issue of time. We're all busy, and it's easy to let car care fall by the wayside. Lack of knowledge and time are huge barriers, but they're not insurmountable. Even small efforts can make a big difference. For instance, regularly washing and waxing your car can protect the paint and keep it looking new. Inside, vacuuming and wiping down surfaces can keep your interior fresh and clean. These tasks don't have to be time-consuming, and they can really pay off in the long run. Oil changes are another crucial part of car maintenance. Engine oil lubricates your car's engine, keeping it cool and clean. Over time, oil breaks down and becomes less effective, which can lead to serious engine damage. Changing your oil regularly, usually every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, can help prevent this. Tire maintenance is also key. Properly inflated tires can improve your car's handling, fuel efficiency, and safety. Another essential area of car care is interior cleaning. Dust, dirt, and spills can accumulate quickly, leading to unpleasant odors and damage to your car's surfaces. Regularly cleaning your interior, including vacuuming, wiping down surfaces, and cleaning any stains, can keep your car feeling fresh and new. One of the most impactful car care tips I can share is to regularly check and replace your air filter. A dirty air filter can decrease your car's performance, fuel efficiency, and even damage your engine over time. It's an easy and inexpensive task that can save you a lot of money and headaches in the long run. Replacing your air filter is usually straightforward and can be done at home with a few tools. It's recommended to check your air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. But this can vary depending on your car's make and model, but well as your driving conditions. A clean air filter ensures your engine gets the clean air it needs to run efficiently. Incorporating this simple task into your car care routine can have significant benefits. Not only will your car run better, but you'll also save money on fuel and repairs. Plus, it's an easy task to add to your regular maintenance checklist. To recap, taking care of your car like a pro doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By following a few simple tips like regular oil changes, tire maintenance, interior cleaning, and replacing your air filter, you can extend the life of your vehicle and save money. If you're interested in more car maintenance tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos. I'd love to hear your questions or tips in the comments below.